This driver is the worst friend you could ever have. Next up is a driver who modified his truck with wooden stumps. In this clip, a truck driver is interviewed because he drove through a bridge.
What's that?
Bridge is too low.
The bridge is too low?
Yeah.
Holy mackerel. I mean, that's possible, or is this thing too high? Because you've obviously made it under every bridge, right?
With not a care in the world, this guy is oblivious to what's behind him. What's worse than shoveling snow off your driveway? A snowplow plowing snow back. Is this considered a driving hazard or pure genius? Watch until the end.
Keep going, you got it. Keep going. There we go.
In this clip, a driver forgets to leave his handbrakes on. Let it go, I can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Surely there is another way. Excuse me, miss, but, your gas tank seems to be full. If you're a police officer, don't be this guy, or everyone else will become cops and start interrogating you.
Officer, what's going on here? Look at that. That's what happens when you're rushing to Urban Throwback. You gotta take your time on the roads, kids. Take your time. Officer, was you in a hot pursuit or what?
Thank you very much.
Officer, was you in hot pursuit? Pardon? I'm just asking, was you in hot pursuit? Was you drinking and driving again, was you? Yeah, I told you gotta get off that alcohol, you know. Look what it did, G! No, you don't do them things, Gaffer. Oh, it's a BMW as well. You know what I would do for a BMW? I put in a lot of overtime for a BMW, but oh, you can't look at the state of this. My God.